Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical plastic chair, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from plastic chair, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best plastic chair from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Nazhura 650 weight limit heavy-duty plastic folding chair with reinforced steel frame. The Nazhura 650 weight limit heavy-duty plastic folding chair is the ultimate solution for those seeking durable, comfortable, and versatile seating. Designed with a reinforced steel frame and high-quality polypropylene plastic, these chairs support up to 650 pounds, ensuring long-lasting durability for both indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for events, picnics, camping, or even as extra seating at home or in the office, this set of 8 chairs is built to handle various occasions. The ergonomic design provides comfortable back and leg support, while the foldable feature allows for easy storage and transport. With a sturdy powder-coated steel frame and an open back style, these chairs offer a great blend of strength and style. Whether you're hosting a party or attending a picnic, the Nazhura folding chair ensures you have reliable and comfortable seating. Enjoy hassle-free storage and transport with these space-saving chairs that are as durable as they are practical. Number 2. Sweetcrispy folding chair 12-pack leather padded folding chairs. The Sweetcrispy folding chair 12-pack is the perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality for your events. Designed with high-density sponge padding on the backrest and seat, these chairs offer superior comfort for both indoor and outdoor settings. The premium PU leather is not only soft but also durable and easy to clean, ensuring a lasting, comfortable experience. The metal frame is treated to prevent rust and reinforced with sidebars for added stability, making these chairs both robust and stable. Each chair weighs only 8.1 pounds, making them lightweight and easy to move, while the foldable design allows for convenient storage when not in use. Whether hosting a banquet, wedding, or family gathering, these chairs add a touch of elegance with their sleek black frame and stylish leather upholstery. No assembly is required, and they are ready for use in seconds, making them ideal for a variety of events. Number 3. Vacyovke pack stacking chairs. Home office guest chair set with Sled base. The Vacyovke 40-pack stacking chairs are the perfect addition to any office or event space. With a sleek modern design, these chairs combine style and comfort, featuring a metal frame, thickened sponge pads, and a breathable mesh cushion for optimal seating comfort. Each chair can hold up to 1,102 fold packs, making them sturdy and reliable for various users. The ergonomic design promotes better posture, while the breathable mesh keeps you cool during long meetings. The stabilizing Sled base ensures stability, and plastic floor glides protect your floors. These chairs are easy to assemble with clear instructions and are stackable, saving valuable space when not in use. Ideal for offices, waiting areas, reception rooms, and meeting spaces, this 40-pack set is a practical solution for any setting. Whether for conferences, seminars, or church gatherings, these chairs offer both functionality and modern style, enhancing any professional space. Number 4. Bonnlo folding chair set of 10. White plastic chair, sturdy seat. The Bonnlo folding chair set of 10 offers the perfect blend of durability, comfort, and convenience for any event. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame and a high-quality plastic seat, these chairs are built to last, providing exceptional strength and stability. Designed for comfort, they are ideal for extended use during family gatherings, professional meetings, or long conferences. The foldable design makes storage a breeze. Simply fold them flat for easy transport and space-saving storage when not in use. These chairs are lightweight yet durable, allowing for quick setup and rearranging. Plus, they require no assembly, making them hassle-free to use. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, conference, or any other event, the neutral white color complements any decor. With this 10-pack set, you get reliable and versatile seating that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Add convenience and style to your next event with Bonnlo folding chairs. Number 5. Simple Deluxe 10 pieces folding chair. plastic stackable, foldable, portable seat. The simple Deluxe 10-piece folding chair set offers the perfect combination of durability, comfort, and practicality for any event. Featuring a sturdy metal frame treated with an anti-rust plastic spray, these chairs can support up to 330 lps. Their durable, water-resistant plastic seats are easy to clean and designed with dry assist drain holes to prevent water pooling. The side reinforcement bars form a triangular structure, ensuring added stability. These lightweight chairs are perfect for both indoor and outdoor events, such as banquets, weddings, or game nights. The stackable design allows for easy storage, saving valuable space when not in use. Floor caps protect surfaces, while the convenient foldable feature allows quick setup and cleanup. With no assembly required, you can easily open and fold the chairs in seconds. The sleek metal frame and plastic upholstery blend seamlessly with any decor, making this set both stylish and practical for any occasion. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.